Hello, Tim Oliver here from OIiverImages Design. I'm a proud Micro Four Thirds format photographer, and I received something special this week. After much anticipation, OM System has started shipping their new OM-3 camera, so let's give it a look. This is exciting. All right. Ooh, that's unexpected. Oh, nice. What a beauty. Feels solid. Hold on. This is a classic OM-1 film camera from Olympus. How'd this get in here? What the fuck? No, they really didn't send me the vintage OM-1 film camera. I already had it. Although, when I opened the box, I'm telling you, I thought that's what they sent me. OM System has produced a camera with a direct lineage to the 1972 35mm film masterpiece. I mean, just look at this beauty. I'm going to be gushing over this thing before we even get to the specs. Vintage camera lovers, rejoice. What's amazing to me is how close they have come to replicating the original OM-1 film camera. I mean, just take a look at these bodies side by side. The OM-3 is just a little wider, it's a little taller, but it's not that much thicker. I mean, these things are so close. The dials, the setup, even the body, the way the body is machined, it is amazing how close these cameras are. The OM-3 seen here with the brand new Zuiko 25mm f1.82 lens. This is weather sealed, all metal construction, and has new coating. And of course, the vintage OM-1 has that excellent Zuiko 50mm 1.4. And I like the fact that the old lens actually says OM System on it. Nice touch. Somehow they got an OM-1 Mark II and a digital Pen F liquored up and feeling frisky, which resulted in this love child, the OM-3. And as it happens so often, it got Grandpa's good looks. It is not hyperbole to say the OM-3 is essentially an OM-1 Mark II in the body of a vintage OM-1 film camera with some Pen F thrown in, the R to mono color dial. And that's because this company clearly loves creativity. I friggin' loved this thing the minute I saw it. I will post a full video about my hands-on experience with the OM-3, but I'm going to leave it here for now. Before I can share any more impressions and images, I want to get to know my new friend. I want to wine her, I want to dine her, and I want to show her I can be a thoughtful and generous partner. This is getting weird. Well played, OM System. Well played, you crazy geniuses.
You're good. Nah, you're good.